Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Kinetic Staff item in Roblox for free for your avatar. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go back to the Roblox homepage and then we're going to search for Island of Move the game. Island of Move, okay, this one, and you're going to join this game. Okay, and once you have joined the game, you can go to this area and you can interact with this robot. Okay, you can click on this E icon and then you're going to redeem code. You're going to enter this code DIY. Okay, and you're going to click on the check mark, and I have already redeemed it guys. And then to equip this item, you're going to leave the game first, and then you're going to go to your inventory. I'm going to go to the avatar, okay, and go to the bag accessory, okay, and you will get this item for free. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get this item for free for our Roblox avatar. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.